Celsius weather. And guys, look here, this country working. This is many heavy machinery truck like a Scania. Scania is maybe here be many Scania is working. Too much Scania. Scania also Mercedes Benz, Iveco, and DA. Guys, and this country is very good country, guys. Their weather is always this is normal weather, and maybe minus up to maybe 15 degrees Celsius, not more. minus 50 डिग्री मोर. इस कंट्री जो है गाइस बहुत बढ़िया कंट्री है, ठीक है. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड कंट्री. ऑल्सो दिस कंट्री पीपल इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड एंड नाइस एंड काइंडलेस पर्सन. यहाँ के जो लोग हैं वो बहुत बढ़िया हैं, ठीक है. दिस जॉर्जियन पीपल इज वेरी नाइस पीपल एंड वेरी गुड and honesty people and very good country. Hello. What happened? No, maybe two tires spare is there. Our workshop. No, new one and one is second hand. One is a new one. You can send someone there. No, maybe I think I am not there workshop. I am outside. You can send someone who is there workshop. Yes. Maybe you have Mr. Ajay number. Oh, so you can contact him now. Please call him and let him know. सादा खान आरामे गेलो ते बियारी रोदिस मोखवाल काछु ओ काई खराशो